and very painful. So I'm currently having hiccups. They've been going on for maybe about a minute. And then I will try the straw now. Okay, no hiccups.
Now, this is the straw that she was using. It's a recent Shark Tank product designed by Dr. Safety here. It works by having this little hole here at the bottom that generates enough pressure when you drink water through it to stop those spasms in your diaphragm, which is the hiccups. I'm not sure why it took so long for a product like this to pop up on Shark Tank, but this little thing right here is huge. If you guys want to check it out, I'll add it right here on the TikTok shop. Just check out the reviews for yourself.